guys, nandito na kami sa turtle spot. So, may pawikan dito ha. Yung turtle free to see but not to touch. Ayan, hawakan mo lang yung puso ko, wag lang yung pawikan. Ayan. Be my lady, come to me and take my hand, and be my lady. Wow, hola! Wow! Espanya, high five! Ayan.